If you're seeing a traction control disabled warning in your Tesla, this means the system that helps maintain stability and prevent wheel spin isn't functioning correctly. This system relies on wheel speed sensors, accelerometers, and motor controllers to adjust torque and keep you safe. Let's look at how these components work together. The warning can be triggered by several factors. Wheel speed sensor issues are the most common, accounting for about 40% of cases. Other causes include tire-related problems at 25%, software glitches at 20%, and hardware malfunctions at 15%. Recent software updates in 2024 and early 2025 have made the system more sensitive to sensor irregularities, leading to more frequent reports. Ignoring this warning can compromise your vehicle's handling, especially in adverse conditions, so it's important to address it promptly to maintain safety and performance. When your Tesla shows a traction control disabled warning, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try before visiting a service center. The first step is performing a soft reset. Hold both steering wheel scroll buttons for 10 seconds to restart the vehicle's computer systems. Next, check all tire pressures to ensure they match the recommended PSI. Uneven tire pressures can trigger false traction control warnings. Perform a visual inspection of your wheels and sensors. Look for obvious damage, dirt buildup, or loose connections that might affect the traction control system. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, advanced diagnostics are available. Tesla's service mode provides built-in diagnostics, or you can use a third-party OBD2 scanner for additional error codes. According to Tesla's internal data, sensor cleaning or recalibration resolves 35% of traction control cases, while hardware replacement is needed in 25% of service visits. To prevent future traction control issues, rotate your tires every 6,250 miles and monitor tire pressures consistently. These simple maintenance steps can significantly reduce the likelihood of warnings. If problems persist after troubleshooting, schedule a service appointment. Most traction control issues are covered under Tesla's warranty for 4 years or 50,000 miles, with 92% of cases receiving coverage.